Hello Rockstar, welcome to finding my YouTube channel. My name is Obapa Ekweajeche, and if you are looking for a means of transforming your life with your daily activities, this is the channel for you. And feel free to subscribe and also click on the notification button. If this is your first time, leave a message below, let me know this is your first time, and I'll be glad to reach out to you. Now in today's video, we are going to look at company benefits, 5 cash company benefits that are paid straight into your bank account. This video is made for people who want to use this platform as a business. And if you don't want to use it as a business, you can tell your friend who wants to use this platform as a business. So you see, every organization, every institution grows with people who joined. Your neighborhood started very small and now they have expanded and they are very big and they are growing. People actually patronized and the person told people. So if you want to use this as a business platform, you need to tell people about it. The maximum of people that you need is 3 people. So you teach your 3 people to find their 3 people. The 3 people also find their 3 people. 12 people, further 12 people, and the cycle continues. It goes on and on and on and on. The company grew into Group A, Group B, and Group C. So your company uses 2 of your weakest legs to pay you. One leg is going to be used to run the organization. This happens by the calculation of point values. As your group grows, are calculated and they are used to pay you. First week, when you had your 3 people, Group A, you had 150,000 point value. Group B gave you 100,000 point value, and Group C gave you 50,000 point value. Now it is obvious that the largest leg is Group A, which gave you 150 point value. So the company is going to use the 150 point value to run the organization, and you will be paid on your 2 legs, which is Group B and Group C. Okay, but the percentage for your calculation depends on your entry level. If you haven't watched this episode on entry levels, I will leave this link in the description and you can check it out. You started with VIP, which is 12%. Now this is how the calculation is going to be. Every point value equals $1 with our organization. C gave you 50,000 point value, right? So with this 50,000 point value times 12% gives you a total of 6,000 point value. Now 6,000 point value is going to be calculated and it's paid into your bank account. So with the first week, you can get a total of about 18,000 point value if you start with the VIP level. Now this is called the performance bonus. Let's look at the development bonus. With the development bonus, it is constantly 10%, and what you need is 2 weekest payout legs. The first week you had Group A giving you 1,680 point value, Group B gives you 70 point value, and Group C gives you 60 point value. Obviously, the company is going to use the 1,680 point value to run the organization, and your 60 point value and your 70 point value is going to be calculated by the percentage of your entry level, and it is going to be paid into your bank account. So simply add 70 point value, 60 point value. You can use the 12% of VIP to calculate, and you can also use your 10% gold level, or any level. You can even use 8% to do the calculation. And when you do that, please leave a message below, let me know what the answer is. I'd really want to spend the money. Okay, so if I'm giving you value, feel free to subscribe and also smash on the notification button. We've talked about two bonuses. We have the development bonus, we have the performance bonus. So let's look at the leadership bonus. Now, as the name implies, leadership bonus means that become a leader. You are encouraging people, you are serving them resources, both software and hard copies. You are training them, you are seeing that they grow. So you are a leader. This percentage ranges from 10% up to 45%. How this is paid is based on generations. Generation is the 3 people you found, and your 3 people finding their 3 people. The first 3 is your first generation, the second 3 is your second generation, the third is your third generation, up to hundreds of generations. Are you with me? Good. So let's look at how leadership bonus is paid. This starts with the ranks. When you get to a rank, you get to rank diamond 1, rank diamond 2, rank diamond 3. I'm going to do an explanation on this. Don't fret, I'm going to show you. So the first rank diamond 1 to rank diamond 3, your first generation, the first 3 people, you earn 10% on all of their earnings. Okay, so the first generation you earn 10%, the second generation you earn 10%, and the third generation you earn 10%. Okay, so take a look at rank diamond 6. When you get to the rank diamond 6, you are progressing, you are growing, you are leading, you need much resources. So at rank diamond 6, the company pays you 10% with the first generation, and the second to 6th generation is 5%. So from second generation to 6th generation, you are getting about 20% of their earnings plus your 10%, which is about 30%, and this 30% is added to your development bonus and your performance bonus, which makes you about 50% weekly. You buy product payment, you buy toothpaste, you buy hand sanitizers, you buy hand creams, you buy cups, diapers. It is either you do it beginning of the month or at the end of the month. So this organization is saying that, you see, because you do this every month, when you buy with us, we are giving you a percentage for buying with us, 4.5%. It is not mandatory for you to buy products at the end of the month, but if you buy products at the end of the month, you get paid from the organization. The cycle of you buy every month is called 30 PV. Toothpaste is 3.5. So if you buy 9 toothpaste, you are earning 30 point value. If you buy 10 toothpaste a month, you are earning 30 point value. It's so easy and it's so simple. It's not stressful. You earn 4.5 on it. Now you see, 4.5 is a total of $1.35. So if you have about 15 generation, and within the month your 15 generation is doing 30 PVs, they are buying products every month, then it means a whole lot of money from you. So your 15 generation and includes 3 people from the first generation, 3 people second generation, 3 people third generation, 3 people fourth generation. So you multiply 3 by 15 and let's see the total number of people you are going to earn 4.5% on, or $1.35 on. This is huge money, and mind you, this is different from the performance bonus, from the leadership bonus, from the development bonus. Okay, so all these monies are calculated, converted, and it's paid straight into your bank account in your anywhere you are, because the organization is in 183 countries. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in South Africa, Australia, wherever you find yourself, you can become our partner. First week you join what products worth 60 point values. Now as the next week you also buy the same amount of products, which is 60 point value. The next week you do 60 point values again. Okay, so that is repeat order bonus. This repeat order bonus can be done for you. You can do it yourself, or your team, anybody in your team who does it goes into your benefit. So your team does this and you earn 45% on that side. The leadership, maintenance, development, you still earn 45% on repeat order bonus. I know you will be wondering why there's so much money, because the organization is giving you 75% of their income in both cash incentive and lifestyle incentive. If you haven't looked at the video of the lifestyle incentive, I'm going to put the link in the description below where you can take a look at it. And don't forget to leave a message when you do, and also subscribe to this channel. And let me give you a bonus of this. Anytime you encourage people to use our product and they become members of this huge organization, we have the sponsorship bonus. Is that anybody who enters through you earn an amount of money which is about 50 cedis in Ghana local. So you see, this idea is to enrich you, is to create an amazing life for you whilst you do your daily activities. If I have provided you with value, which I know I have, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you should also click on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I post valuable. Next time I'm going to come your way, we are going to discuss the ranks, but until I do that, it's bye bye for now.